Today, Tangem announced that we are finally getting a stealth wallet design, but it might not be exactly what you expected. They also mentioned that this batch will be extremely limited, so I just wanted to make this quick video to answer any questions you might have about the new design or lack of design. That way you can know if you want it before it's released. So I suggested this idea of a stealth Tangem wallet to Tangem a few months back after we got a ton of requests from our community for a blank card with no branding on it, and that's exactly what Tangem is about to deliver. But there is a catch, sort of. The stealth wallet will only be available in a pack of 3 cards. So one of those cards will be your standard Tangem card, the black card with the Tangem logo on the front and the serial number on the back. The other 2 cards, though, will have absolutely no branding, no serial number, and they'll be completely blank. So while not all 3 cards will be blank, 2 of the 3 cards are. The main reason most of us wanted a stealth wallet in the first place was to protect our privacy in case we lose one of our cards and someone else finds it. Without any branding on it, it's going to be really hard for someone to determine what the card is. Of course, even with the current design, if someone gets a hold of your card, they won't be able to access your wallet without knowing your access code. But they could still at least find out what it was by doing a quick Google search, and this is what the stealth wallet helps prevent. So even though one of the cards in the pack comes with Tangem's branding on it, you can just leave that one at home or in a secure place wherever you keep your hardware wallets, and then the other 2 stealth cards could be used, when you travel or just when you go out. That way, if you do lose it or you do misplace it, it won't be easy to identify. Oddly enough, the supply for these stealth cards is extremely limited, even more so than previous Tangem wallet designs, which is weird to me considering the demand for these blank cards, but who knows, maybe if they are really popular, Tangem will make more of them. That said, this batch is limited to just 1,000 packs, and they're going to be priced the same as the normal 3-pack of Tangem cards, so $69.90 or $62 if you use our discount code CyberSkrilla at checkout, and they should be available on Tangem's website starting Monday, August 26th. Aside from the design, the stealth cards work exactly the same as the standard Tangem design, so if this stealth design doesn't appeal to you, then you're not missing out on much. However, if you already have a set of Tangem cards and you want to add the stealth cards to your current Tangem wallet, I show you how to do that in this next video, so definitely check that out. I'll see you there. Peace.